Welcome to Rapitutos, your straight-to-the-point channel, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install FL Studio on your PC. I'm not mentioning the download because it's as easy as going to the link in the first comment and downloading it directly. No ads, no detours. Starting with the tutorial, we simply extract. Enter the file password and open the file. Here we have the installer, and what we're going to do next is the same as any regular installation, nothing out of the ordinary. Once the installation is finished, it's ready to use, just like that. If you have any questions, the link is down, etc., you can leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.